comfort blanket strip is made from 3 rectangles, all the same width. The top has area 21 square centimeters. The bottom has area 21 too. The full strip is 10 centimeters tall. A rectangle of area 36 square centimeters is attached to the right. It is 9 centimeters wide. Find the area of the shaded middle rectangle. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. The right rectangle hides the middle height. First, use the right rectangle. It shares its height with the middle. 36 divided by 9 equals 4, so the middle is 4 centimeters tall. That is the shared side rule again. Now look at the top and bottom. They are both 21 square centimeters, and they share the strip width. Equal areas plus a shared side means their other sides are equal too, so the top height and the bottom height match. The leftover height is 10 minus 4. That equals 6. Split it equally. Each one is 3 centimeters. Now find the strip width. 21 divided by 3 equals 7 centimeters. The shaded area is 7 times 4. That is 28 square centimeters. This is the equal areas, equal sides rule. When 2 rectangles share a side and have equal areas, their other sides are equal too. That unlocks both heights at once. Then divide one area by that height to get the strip width. Multiply by the middle height for the shaded area. Same unlock, dressed differently. Find the unlock first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.